So this is our dining area where we have all of our cooking stuff. There's my bench. There's the generator and the fan. There's coffee. Yes. There's my room. We still gotta go through all our stuff. I put this up. This is our shower / closet. Still gotta hang up clothes. I have bags that help keep our clothes dry. But yeah, there's our little shower stall. There's our front door. This is where the dogs are. Got our gas and oil. Just some outdoor utensils and rope. This is like extra stuff for us to use. There's a tent, fireplace, another poop tent. That's a tent I've got if my nephew comes to visit, or we even actually store some things in there. Got our little clotheslines hung up, fire pit. And Brian has allowed us to really kind of clear things off the way we need to and use it however we need. Right through there's a road. I mean, we're tucked away so nobody sees us. And there's all the beautiful woods behind us. I've heard deer, I've seen deer. The creek is down there. My kid spends a lot of time down there. But yeah, this is home sweet home for right now until we find the next spot. And just try to keep it clean, keep it tidy. And Brian's been really cool and helped us out a lot.